everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you decorative outdoor patio privacy designs and top 10 stunning ideas for private patio bliss. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine yourself unwinding on your patio, enveloped in the warm embrace of the evening air, only to be jolted back to reality by the unwelcome gaze of a neighbor or the noise of a bustling street. This scenario, unfortunately, is a common reality for many homeowners. But fret not, for the art of outdoor privacy patio design exists to transform your patio from a vulnerable space into a haven of tranquility and intimacy. Why add privacy to your outdoor patio? First, increased comfort and relaxation. Privacy fosters a sense of security and seclusion, allowing you to truly relax and unwind without feeling self-conscious or observed. Second, enhanced entertaining. Create a more intimate atmosphere for gatherings, fostering deeper connections and memorable experiences with loved ones. Third, noise reduction. Block out unwanted sounds from traffic, neighbors, or even streetlights, creating a peaceful haven for rest and reflection. Fourth, increased property value. A well-designed privacy solution can add aesthetic appeal and functionality, potentially boosting your property value. How do I add privacy to my outdoor patio? The methods for achieving outdoor patio privacy are as varied as the homeowners themselves. Here are some key strategies to consider. First, vertical landscaping. Utilize climbing vines, trellises, or strategically planted trees and shrubs to create living walls that provide both privacy and natural beauty. Second, privacy screens. Freestanding or fixed screens made of wood, metal, fabric, or woven materials offer a customizable and stylish solution. Third, pergolas and gazebos. These structures provide overhead cover and can be adorned with climbing plants or privacy panels for an added layer of seclusion. Fourth, fences and walls. Traditional options like fences and walls offer complete privacy but can sometimes feel restrictive. Consider incorporating open latticework or natural materials for a lighter touch. Fifth, furniture placement. Strategically positioning furniture like lounge chairs or outdoor curtains can create pockets of privacy and define different zones within your patio. What are the best materials for outdoor privacy? The ideal material for your outdoor privacy solution depends on your budget, desired level of privacy, and aesthetic preferences. Here's a quick breakdown. First, wood offers warmth and natural beauty, but requires regular maintenance. Second, metal provides durability and a modern look, but can be susceptible to rust. Third, fabric adds softness and color, but may fade or require cleaning, depending on the type. Fourth, vinyl offers affordability and low maintenance, but might not blend seamlessly with all settings. Fifth, natural materials, bamboo, reeds, and woven fibers provide a sustainable and eco-friendly option. To complete your inspiration, here are the top 10 best outdoor privacy patio design ideas. 1. Living wall paradise. Create a lush vertical garden with vibrant climbing vines or flowering plants. 2. Modern metal marvels. Opt for sleek metal screens with geometric patterns for a contemporary touch. 3. Cozy canopy bliss. Transform your pergola or gazebo into a private retreat with flowing curtains or climbing vines. 4. Bamboo beauty. Embrace the natural charm of bamboo fencing for a sustainable and stylish option. 5. Textured fabric flair. Add a touch of softness and color with outdoor curtains made from weatherproof fabrics. 6. Potted privacy powerhouse. Utilize strategically placed tall potted plants to create visual barriers. 7. Water feature tranquility. Introduce a calming water feature like a fountain or pond to create a sense of seclusion. 8. Layered lighting magic. Use string lights, lanterns, or spotlights to define different areas and create an intimate ambience. 9. Strategic seating arrangement. Position furniture to block unwanted views and create pockets of privacy. 10. Upcycled pallet perfection. Repurpose wooden pallets into creative and eco-friendly privacy screens. Transforming your patio into a private haven doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating the ideas and tips outlined above, you can create an outdoor sanctuary that reflects your personal style and provides a much-needed escape from the outside world. Remember, the key is to consider your needs, budget, and desired level of privacy to find the perfect solution for your space. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspirational videos and expert advice on creating your dream outdoor space. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest design tips and tricks. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of decorative outdoor patio, privacy design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.